got home. I went diving for about 3 hours and I got a car full. Like, look at this. I'm about to unload everything so I can show y'all, but yeah, car on the other side. It is packed from like door to door full of stuff. So I'm gonna start unloading and show y'all what I got. Alright, I've started pulling some of the stuff out, so I'm gonna show you guys. A queen size comforter set. They did paint it a little bit, but usually it's only on one side. I might have to pull it out and see. It looks like they got spray painted quite a bit of it, but this next one is a Tempur-Pedic mattress cover, I believe. Yeah, mattress pad, king size. And a queen size bed set. I think it's just a comforter. Yeah, it's a comforter and 2 pillowcases. Also spray painted, but hopefully it is only on one side. The pillowcases. Probably won't use the pillowcases. And oh, I don't know. It's a lovely spray paint. We'll see. It's always a hit or miss with comforters. We got 2 of these little baby dolls. It's like the packaging is just kind of crushed on one side. Got one curtain rod. It's got some spray paint on this end, but it's metal, so it comes off super easily. This is a really nice curtain rod. I don't know how much these go for. Yeah, 1 curtain rod. And another one. Also with spray paint, but just on the end. These are really big curtain rods. And 2 pillows, this pillow, and another pillow. I ripped the packaging trying to get it out of the dumpster, but it's all there. Got 2 of these statues. Hopefully they're not broken. It says damaged, but that's what they all say. Let's see. This was in a box with another one that was completely broken. Yeah, that's a piece of glass from the other one. But as you can see, nothing wrong with this one. See the price? Brand new. I don't know why they threw it away with the one that was broken. And then I think this is a poster one. Brand new, not broken. reptile lamp stand from PetSmart. The pillow, feather pillow. It's really soft on this side. No rips, nothing wrong with it at all. Here's the other two pillows to that comforter set. Bag of kitty food. Just have some stuff in it. That's broken. Oh, got it. How cute. Stuff from Michael's. It's like organizing boxes. There's a little succulent in it. Oh yeah, that's got a crack, but I'll still use it in the garage. Got a little crack right there. And then this one, I don't see anything wrong with this one at all. Little storage thing. Other stuff in this box. Let's see. A cup, USA cup, and a broken candle. A nice surprise in there. It doesn't even look like this has been opened. So I don't know why. Broken glass. I'm gonna test it out in a minute. As you can see, there's a lot of clothes. Picture frame, not broken. I don't know what I'm gonna put all these clothes in. Oh, it's just missing the cologne. It's Mustang. So there's aftershave and body wash. Some Bath and Body Works. Candle. Doesn't smell too bad. And then there's a plug-in. There is a ton of name brand socks. Like here's Nike. I need to find something to put these in. Nike, Reebok, some Mario ones. There's some Fila, Tommy Hilfiger, and more Nike. Carrier. The top is right there, but I'm going to use it to put the stuff in after I show you. So let's see. little girls' rainbow socks. We got some boxing gloves. These are all like brand new boys underwear. Brand new. Just gonna get this box over here. Alright, we got a bedazzler. Let's see. A beanie. Brand new. I think this is a pillowcase that goes with that other set. Another beanie, still with the tags on it. I think that's a scarf. Got some bed head shampoo. Another pair of socks. These are falling out. They're Adidas. Another pair of Adidas socks. Got a face palette. The glass is broken. A bunch of these headbands. Little flowery headbands. And another beanie. Got some shower curtain hooks. Some silicone straws. Pair of girls' Reebok socks. This is like scrap paper. There. Some kind of bracelet maker. I think that's what that is. It has holes in it. Doesn't look like it had any holes in it, but it has this, which isn't too hard to get off. This is a, wow, $98 sweater. You see that? Crazy. I think this is a changing table cover, I believe. Another sweater. Oh, this one's frayed. No good. Another sweater. It's got a big old string hanging off of it. I love these kind of rugs. Look at them. They are so soft. I got a matching set. Awesome. There's nothing wrong with it. Hair ties, which we needed. And more socks. More Nike socks. And then more Nike socks. Another sweater. Oh, that one's got a big hole in it. Never mind. Another beanie. And another headband. And another beanie, and this is a red tablecloth. Got another one of these battling toys. And then this silverware set. Looks like they're loose in here, but I'm gonna open it up real quick. Fork, spoon. Let's see if they're, the rest are underneath here. Oh yeah, look. All the other ones are in here. Still in plastic. Right in there. That's cool. I think I got it all. And a elf lipstick. But I have one more thing to show you guys. It's probably the best thing of all. This. It's still charging. but let's see. Oh my gosh. Okay, okay, go back. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let me put it down on the ground. I'm gonna flip out, y'all. This is a $330 vacuum. It works. Okay, okay, stop. Oh my gosh, y'all, it works. Okay. That's definitely the best find of the day.